Hello children, welcome to today's maths class. Children, in today's class, I'm going to teach you number counting 1 to 30. Then I will teach you to write numbers from 1 to 20 in series in your notebook. And then I will also teach you to trace and write number 13 in your maths activity book. So children, let's start our today's maths class. Children, now let's learn number counting 1 to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now comes 10. After 10 comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now comes 16, 17, 18, 19, and this is 20. After 20, 21, 22, 23. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and now comes 30. Alright children, so now I will teach you how to write numbers from 1 to 20 in series. Children, look at the board carefully. This is today's date. Today is 25th September. And now I will start writing. So look at the board carefully. Children, first of all, I am going to leave the first block. I will start writing from the second block. And the same pattern you have to follow in your notebook. Now look here. This is number 1. After 1 comes 2. After 2 comes 3. 4, after 4 comes 5, then comes 6, after 6 comes 7, then comes 8, 9, and 1 will come in this block and 0 will come below 9. And children, just see, I have not left any block in between. You have to follow the same pattern. You will not leave any block in between. Alright children, after writing 10, leave the next block and then start writing from the next block like this 1, 1, 11, and both numbers you have to write like this only, okay? You will not write in the same block. After writing 11, after 11 comes 12, after 12 comes 13, 14, then comes 15. After 15 comes number 16, 17, then comes 18, 19, and after 19 comes number 20. Children, in this way you have to write number counting 1 to 20 in series. Now I will teach you to write in the notebook. But before that, let's revise the rhyme. Number rhyme. 1, 1, 1, little puppy run. 2, 2, 2, cat says meow. 3, 3, 3, monkeys on the tree. 4, 4, 4, rats on the floor. 5, 5, 5, see the dragonfly. 6, 6, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 7, 7, God in the heaven. 8, 8, 8, sorry, I am late. 9, 9, 9, thank you, I am fine. 10, 10, 10, a big fat hen, a big fat hen. Okay children, so now I will teach you to write 1 to 20 in series in your notebook. Children, today again I am going to teach you to write number counting 1 to 20 in maths notebook. Children, first of all, we will write today's date. Today is 25th September dot 25.9.2020. Write on the blue line. You can write classwork also. And then children, we will start our work by leaving the first block. We will not write in the first square and in the first line. We will start our work from the second line. So, number counting, we start from number 1. 1. After 1 comes 2, 3, 4. Write on the blue line. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 1 will come here in this block and 0 will come below 9. In this way you have to finish number writing 1 to 10 and then leave the next block. And children, you will not leave the block after writing one number. Like see how I have written, I have not left any block in between. ये बीच में कोई भी block आपको छोड़ना नहीं है. बहुत सारे बच्चे अभी भी ऐसे लिख रहे हैं block को छोड़ के. देखो आप. Then we will write after 10 comes number 11. After 11 comes 12. See, I am writing 12 in the very next block. I am not leaving any block in between. After 12 comes 13. After 13 comes 14. Then 15. After 15 comes number 16. Then comes 17. After 17 comes number 18. After 18 comes 19 and then comes 2020. After writing this, children, you can see so much of space is left. We can write, we can practice one more time. So leave 2 blocks, children. अब आपको 2 ब्लॉक छोड़ने हैं. Then again we will start writing from number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and after 9 comes 10. In this way you have to write 10. And children, you have to speak and write. अगर आप बोल बोल के लिखोगे, you will learn number counting very easily. After 10 comes 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After 16 comes 17, 18, 19 and after 19 comes number 20, children. In this way you have to write 1 to 20 in your notebook. Write it and send its picture to me. Children, we have finished writing 1 to 20. Now quickly bring your book, Maths Activity Book for Generations, and open its page number 19. And what you can see here, you can see 13, 1, 3, 13 is written. So today you have to trace and write number 13 also in the workbook. First we will count how many snails are there. देखो आप कितने cute से snails हैं. Let's count them. And we always start our counting with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13. 13 means this. 1, 3, 13. Alright, so let's start our work. But before starting, let's write the date here. See, here you have to write today's date. Today is 25th September 25.9.2020. This you have to write on your own. And then children, you will start writing. You have to trace and write. First put your pencil on the dot. Write 1 and then write 3 like this, children. 1, 3. Write on the dots, join them properly. 1, 3, 13. See, I have finished first line. In the same manner you have to write, and then you will come to the second line. Come, start writing in the second line, trace and write it. See, there I have made a mistake. Write on the dots like this, and then finish it till here, and then come to the last block. Here you have to write like this, 1 and then 3. Touch the red line. In workbook you have to write in the same square. Okay, now come to the next line, the third line. Start writing this, then write till here, and in the next 2 block you have to write on your own, 1, 3, 13, which I hope you will write easily. Children, in this way you have to finish this whole page of writing 13. Trace and write it. Finish your work till here and then send its picture to me. Bye-bye.